Hello and welcome on our YouTube channel of Malish Connecting. We are Malish, it's Maike and Lilli. We are international coaches and consultants, and with our major experience in the corporate world, we are providing customized seminars, workshops and coachings to companies and private people.
So our mission is to make working together a new and a better experience, more efficient and really just more fun. And this is for both individuals and people in the corporate world, and of course also for teams.
And that's why we have developed our brand new program called Compagneur. And as Malish is a mixture of Maike and Lilli, Compagneur is of course also a mixture. It's the term company and entrepreneur. Our Compagneurs program consists of 3 different programs per section. So 3 programs for the corporate and 3 programs for the entrepreneurs. Within the 3 sections, we have different options like a simple check. So this is the fastest and easiest program over planning. And of course, the Ferrari under the programs is the execution program. So there we are really going into the deep needs and into the strategies of your career or your business and bring you to the next step. So to launch your business sustainable or to bring your career to the next top management level.
It's your future.
Let's create it together. Hello, I'm Lilli and I will cover the corporate part of the Compagneur program. Why will I cover the corporate part? Well, because I have over 12 years experience in the corporate world in different positions. I was a team leader, I was a manager and a sales manager, and so that's why I'm the authority for that. So what is the corporate program within our Compagneurs program? So, for example, you are an employee and you are stuck in your position, so there is no further movement and you don't know how or what your next steps could be. Here we are to help you. Or you want to have the next management position and you need a helping hand to sharpen your profile. Join our program. Or you seek for the next steps or you want to plan your career. So it doesn't matter what it is, we are here and we can support you. So absolutely customized to your needs.
So here's Maike, and I'm going to represent the part of the self-employed, the entrepreneurs, the business people. Why I do this is because I have a long history of people in my family being either founding a company, joining a company, doing something from scratch, small scale, medium-sized scale. So I am not only a self-employed now by nature, but I've also got it in my genes, so to say. So I'm going to represent the view of being a person that's in a startup position. So Compagneur, as we said, both aspects of being an employee and of being self-employed. So why do we do this? How do we do this? Especially since it's the 2 of us.
So, sorry, I just need a minute, I have to send a really important email out. I know it's a bad timing, but
it's a bad timing.
Business going always forward.
Good for you that I'm self-employed, I'm so relaxed, I'm such a typical self-employed, and you're such a typical person from the corporate world, thinking there's nothing more important than your laptop. So where's your mobile, by the way? You're lacking your...
It's over there.
Okay, so now you can focus.
Now I can focus
for 2 seconds.
Okay, 2 seconds and be here. So
while I sip my coffee, why don't you go ahead with your part?
Yeah. So why have we decided to divide the Compagneurs program? Because we want to deliver to you the best content and to bring you to the next level. And why not to do it? Because Maike has the experience in the entrepreneurs world and I have the experience in the corporate world. So that's why we said, let's go back to our strength. And that's why I'm responsible for the corporate world.
And I'll check on you, I'll help you if your focus is to either be self-employed or become self-employed.
Doesn't it sound exciting? And we have more to come. In the next 12 months, starting from tomorrow, we will launch on our YouTube channel, so where you are right now, Malish Connecting, different videos with different content. So we have 12 topics, as the year has 12 months, and we will start with the topic mindset. During the weeks after the first big launch on the YouTube channel, you will find on all social media like Facebook and Instagram content delivery in different ways. Stay tuned. And so you can learn, for example, about mindset, targets, career development, personal development, focus. So different aspects which are important for you to create your future. Because we all need accountability buddies, we all need support, we all need somebody who's saying, hey, or triggering our mind to go to the next step. And so we are really excited to welcome you in our program, and we are really excited to receive your feedbacks on our social media. And of course, below you see our landing page. There you will find the full information about the program. There you can book directly the program and immediately make an appointment in the calendar. So it's your future, let's create it together.